Hey guys, thank you so much for 400 subscribers. Let's keep growing and let's get to 1,000 by the end of the year.
Hey guys, I'm Mike from Tech Reviews. Today we're going to look at some nice quality office chairs that everyone needs for whether they're playing video games for long hours during office work or even coding, any of that kind of stuff. And this is an Excel spreadsheet. I like to do my research. I like to look at all the chairs that are available. Budget doesn't really matter for comfort. If you're sitting in this chair for hours, you need to get what is comfortable for you. I highly suggest you go out and sit in as many chairs as you can, get an idea of what the features are, what's adjustable, what's not, how it feels, and again, how it might feel after sitting in it for more than 10 seconds, right? You want to sit there for a few minutes. And again, also the armrests are an important comfort aspect that you need to look at. So in terms of brands on this spreadsheet, feel free to pause this and look at all the numbers. I'm just going to quickly go through it. Again, price-wise, I said anything, honestly, up to $2,000. I don't care. I need that comfort. But in the end, I always realize with anything in engineering and products, get what is useful for your case. Chairs feel comfortable. You can almost feel a negligible difference between a $500 chair and a $2,000 chair. But, you know, there will be some disadvantages, some advantages, and you got to weigh them out. But for me, I was looking around that $300 to $500 in the end, just from how chairs felt after sitting in all of them. And I was really stuck in between the one that's highlighted, the Staples 1500 TF. F at the end meaning it's a fabric seat with a mesh back, and the autonomous Ergo Chair 2. I know everyone gets the Ergo Chair 2. I see it in every YouTube video. It's that or it's a Herman Miller, basically, when people do like their office reviews or their current office setups. Yeah, and in the end, all the features that you see that I highlight are very basic, and I just wanted to make sure that they were there. And again, I wanted the headrest back here as well. Something important to have. Yeah, and that's it, guys. I got the 1500 TF. I built it. I've had it for about a week now, using it daily for at least 8 to 12 hours. And I just want to kind of show you what it looked like to build, how it feels, and what my overall review is for the aspects. And again, it's up to you to really try these chairs out. I'm not going to say you have to buy this. I'm going to say, hey, it's a great chair. I personally like it. It meets my needs. And maybe it's something that you should be willing to look at. I also didn't see too many reviews for this chair on YouTube. There's definitely a lot of written reviews online, but nothing physically on YouTube as much. So please enjoy and let's watch the unboxing, guys.
Today we got the Staples 1500 TF. It's a fabric chair. It's around the $350 mark. I'm going to quickly go through the unboxing and just show you the features of this chair. The chair, we got the back. The instructions are very clear. You even have color-coded screws here. Put it together, solid quality. Everything feels very nice. It's around $350. And let's get into showing some of the nice features. 3-arm angles here. You can twist that there. There's a single lever. Back tilt, put it in the back position. Locked, you can go up and down in the middle. And in the front, you can go forward or back with the chair itself. Headrest is optional. I found it on eBay for $20 instead of $50 from the factory. The casters here, very basic, great for hardwood, very smooth. You don't hear any noise. They roll very nicely. Here you can see that lever. The arms, the build quality is very nice. The cushion is fabric. I'm not into mesh for the seat. It's very thin, but it definitely is firm, but not so firm that it hurts your back. Here you can see the headrest that was added on. Black was sold out. I got white. I got it off eBay, $20. Goes right into this chair. And as we go through, it turns out that this is also a Eurotech chair, but basically watered down and for a cheaper price than the actual Eurotech version. But it's a fantastic chair. It's used in many offices. You can see there's very, very well concealed. It looks smooth. It looks clean. And there's only one lever, and it controls all of the functions of this chair. Now for the headrest and the back, very, very comfortable. I really like the mesh. It's not going to feel as nice as an Aeron chair from Herman Miller, but with the headrest, quickly add it on. You can see you can adjust it up or down. You can also adjust the angle itself, so when you lean back, you definitely have a good resting position on your neck. Underneath, you can even adjust the height as well. So many, many adjustments that can be made in all parts of this chair. It's very, very nice. Again, I didn't want to go out and spend $1,000 on a chair, but I wanted some fabric and some mesh. And something that offered some adjustability, right? So again, you can see, you can turn them in, middle, or out. You can adjust the height of your arms, but no, you can't adjust the width of the arms. But again, that's not a deal breaker. Here, you can adjust the actual height. So the lumbar is that separate piece there, along with the upper back portion. They're both separate. They can move independently, side to side. And again, you can adjust the overall height up and down. Just to show you here, if you want to actually adjust the chair in the middle position standard, you're going to bring it back, and that's going to let you change the angle. Here, when you're trying to move it up, you just slide it up in the middle position. In the forward position here, now you can change the actual seat. So in the default lock, you slide up and boom, you got the chair. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. Very, very solid. Let's take a quick seat and take a look. Instantly, you feel comfortable. You feel that lower lumbar back support. It's definitely there. It really supports you. It forces you to sit in a proper position. Instantly, you can also start adjusting stuff that you feel. And what I do like about this is that for something sub $500, you're getting a lot more adjustability than some of the other regular chairs out there. I tried every chair at Staples. I went and looked at Human Scale, at Steelcase, at Herman Miller. I played around with all those chairs. Again, they're amazing. You can definitely feel a very, very slight benefit to having those more expensive chairs. But in the end, you're going to be able to find one of these watered down chairs from a very expensive company where Eurotech's chairs can reach over $1,500 as well. Get one of these guys. They take out an extra set of adjustments here or there. They keep the same quality, the same manufacturing. They remove some logos. Other than that, you got that weight adjusted, reclining there. So there's no tilt tension when you slide back. But what you can do is lock in those positions, which is nice. I think there's 3 or 4 different positions you can lock it in on the back. Continuing here, that actual back lumbar portion can actually slide left to right, which is also very nice. Here you can see you can lower up again, up and down that whole back portion. There's about 3 different levels. And once you hit the highest level, you push it all the way up. And then when you let go, it will readjust down right to the bottom. It's very nice. And that is the Staples 1500 TF. One quick item I really wanted to add, guys, is the FM300 footrest by Human Scale. I was looking for something to pair with this chair, something to do that's fun with your feet, something that gives you great stability. It lets you lean back and really enjoy your content that you're either watching or playing while still having that solid feel. And again, it's adjustable on a whole bunch of angles, even forward versus backwards. It's a quick, I think it's less than $100. I'll put the link in the description on Amazon as well, along with this chair. And again, if you can't find the chair on Amazon, I think Staples has it as well. It might even be cheaper. I don't know. Just take a look, guys. And just to reiterate, guys, these handrests here are comfortable. And that's one of the main reasons I chose this chair. And again, just because it's hard to find these to physically try, the seat itself is another big differentiating factor. It is a firm cushion for the fabric seat, but it's not too hard. But if you're looking for something soft and that's really going to form fit, then you might have to look elsewhere. But if you like kind of a more of a soft mesh back, but that's still firm, along with a relatively firm cushion that, you know, really makes it feel like you're sitting in a proper position, then this is definitely the chair for you. And just another thing, you'll bump into these handrests and adjustments with these arms as you're moving around the chair, grabbing it or walking into it. You'll get used to it. You'll start to move out of place every once in a blue moon, but eventually you'll get used to it. So don't let that be a turn off to getting this chair as well. And that's it, guys. Thanks again. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of chairs you're looking to buy or what you currently have or what your plans are for the future. And even recommend some products that you kind of want me to maybe review in the future as well. I'd definitely be down to take suggestions. And in the next couple weeks, just a heads up for the plan. I got some headphones that we're going to look at in the next 2 weeks and possibly some more earbuds too. But we'll see. Let me know. And I can maybe even go out and get a new product if there's something specific that a lot of people want. All right, guys, that's eTech Reviews. I'm going to head out.